And there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Another sick banger for the summer. J Boogie, We Lit. Ooh-wee. Now, I know all you Negroes are going to be feeling the summer heat today, but remember to wear sunscreen, man. I don't know what it is about black people not wearing sunscreen. Let's be honest, all that melanin in your skin ain't going to mean shit when you come back home looking like a piece of plantain your mum left in the frying pan for too long, is it? Don't be that nigger today. Anyway, guys, with that being said, I hope you enjoyed the last track, J Boogie We Lit. And coming up next, we've got the newest collaboration between Young Bane and Mist, codenamed Sunset Motive. Let's get it. Let's listen to it. First time on the air. Let's go.
The Beats Hub.
Yo, I know I promised to meet in 5, yeah, but I lied to you. You do know we are both late. At least I can get to wash my sweat off because I stink real bad. Am I not supposed to? You better not be taking the piss just to get me out of the house quicker. They? What the fuck are you talking about? Quit the subliminal chit chat and tell me what's going on. Oh no, no! I think I'm having a panic attack. Shut up, Joelle. Where the hell are you? Meet me outside in 50 minutes and be there. Are you crazy? Fucked up. I could really wrap my hands around your neck right now. How bad is it? How bad is it? I hope you are aware that we're dealing with a convicted criminal who will shred our body parts for fun. Call Kane, give him the heads up. Let's try again, because you and douchebag number 2 are the reason why I'm in this loophole in first place.
Stay at least. Don't hang on.
Shit.
Yo, Kenya! Don't come here. Kenya, come here. Hey, yo, move, man. How you gonna do that?
Sell for you?
Who are you, fam?
The girl standing in front of you. Look, we can sell to make up for the money.
I'm not gonna let no girl shop for me.
So you trusted Joel to do it? Alone?
Who's that? That's Zion and that waste man, Jermaine. How'd you know that? Zion's like the top boy around here.
It's either we get money back or you kill us.
Yo, I'm liking that first option, you know.
Not like that, man. 7 days. Just give us 7 days. No one will suspect it, especially with the girl around. I'm not asking you to trust us.
Of course not.
I'm just saying you two have something to lose. We don't.
Alright then. Alright, listen, I'm gonna give you 5 days, and I'm gonna give you until 11:59 p.m. I don't want to see a raw message, you understand?
It's 1 minute until.
Midnight, yeah.
Listen, 5 days, and you go until 11:59. Or I'm gonna bun you, and I'm gonna bun White Boy next, you understand?
Deal.
Cool. Meet at Red Block, 7 p.m. Yeah, fix up, man. Got a little part. What are you looking
Where the hell was you, Joel? I told you 15 minutes. They weren't in my road. Make it up to me. How? Yeah. Yeah, right. I already got our first customer, though.
The beats hum. Tom makes beats. The beats hum.